Hi everyone, welcome to Config Labs. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the new Dell 14 Plus. This is the DB14250 version in ice blue, featuring a 14-inch display, and this is the Intel Core Ultra 7 version with 16 gigs of memory and 1 terabyte of SSD storage. Let's get into it. Alright, with the specs out of the way, let's open this up and let's see what Dell is giving us in the box. So let's start here with removing the first top tab. Super satisfying. Once you remove that first cardboard tab, you'll need to then flip it upwards like so and open it up. There's the little Dell support sticker right here. And they put the charger right in the top. On the 16, they put it in the right side, so I like it having it here on the top. And it's nothing fancy. Your power cable, power block, and let's see what the adapter looks like. This is a Type-C, which is beautiful. I love having the Type-C. So that's for the charger. Next we'll take the cardboard housing out, and we'll see a secondary cardboard housing for the laptop itself, revealing the laptop in its white pouch. So I'm going to pull that out. And there's that lovely message from Dell. Welcome to Dell, let's do great things together. I always emphasize how much I really like that. So let's go ahead and get this plastic cover off. So getting this plastic cover off, I'm just going to turn it over here, and I'll just be silent for a minute so you can hear this part. And there it is, revealing that really nice icy blue cover. Fingerprints are definitely not as bad as the darker colors. And once we open it up one more time, you'll see that secondary plastic housing that doesn't have the open buttons like the 16, just one solid plastic cover. After the initial unboxing, let's go ahead and close it and go over the ports here. So starting on the left side, we have a HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, one for power and one for both power and display up to 4K. On the right side, you have an additional USB-A, and then you have the auxiliary port. Looking at the back, you have plenty of room for the heat distribution. You can kind of see the fan through the little slats there, and it doesn't hold fingerprints too badly actually. You can see they fade pretty quickly. So let's boot this up. So I got it plugged in and booted it up here. First impressions are nothing but good things. So the color itself, the video doesn't really do it justice. It looks really beautiful, the ice blue. The trackpad is not too big, not too small. The keyboard itself is well spaced to where you're not going to have that same hand fatigue that you would have in the Dell 16 unboxing I spoke about. And one thing I did complain about that they do have on this laptop is the privacy screen on the top for the laptop. I don't like laptops personally that do not have this feature. I feel like it's 2026. You've got to have this. So if you wanted to turn it on, it would be in this position. If you want to turn it off, you just slide it here and you'll see a little white cover go over, and now it's in the closed position. And then back on again, you just slide it. The hinge itself, it doesn't have much give, so it does feel very smooth. And you also have the fingerprint scanner right here. So if you do want to set up your fingerprint with Windows Hello, you also have that option. I really love this product, and I'm going to go ahead and set up Windows 11. If you guys need any help with setting up Windows 11 or just have any questions, put them in the comment and check out my other video on how to set up Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a great week.